Replace item in array of objects JavaScript series. Inside the HTML file, add the output to show result. In app.js, let's store with some objects, item, id, item and stock. Edit object id2 grabs item and stock 11. This item replaced with this object based on the id. Store equal to store.map item, where item id not equal to edit item id. Then keep item as it is, else replace edit item. Let's see output inner HTML equal to JSON stringify store. See the result. We can see here data grabs updated. If I change this id with 1, we can see the result grabs updated here. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.